Note that cotangent of x is cos of x all divided by sine of x. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be solving question number 9 on our list of questions for calculus 1. We have evaluate the limit of x cubed cotangent of x all divided by 1 minus cos of x as x approaches 0. So to evaluate this limit, the first thing we will want you to do here is to convert cotangent to its identity using sine and cosine. So we just have to write, note that cotangent of x is cos of x all divided by sine of x. So we'll go right ahead and write that. So we have the limit as x approaches 0 of x cubed cotangent of x is cos x divided by sine x, and this entire thing will be divided by 1 minus cos x times 1 over 1 minus cos x. Great. Once we do that, we can rationalize the denominator from here. So we have the limit of x cubed cos x all divided by sine x times 1 over 1 minus cos x. We multiply the numerator by 1 plus cos x and divide it by 1 plus cos x. Great. As x approaches 0, we are going to have x cubed cos x. You'll have 1 times 1 plus cos x. So what we do is to keep cos x times 1 plus cos x constant. So I'm going to write this x cubed over sine x, and then I'm going to keep cos x times 1 plus cos x constant. Now I divide this by, I multiply 1 minus cos x times 1 plus cos x. So 1 times 1 is 1, minus cos x times positive cos x is minus cos square x. And if I do that, I will have the limit of x cubed all divided by sine x times 1 minus cos square x is sine square x. Now I'm going to multiply this by cos x times 1 plus cos x. As x approaches 0, I'm going to have the limit of x cubed all divided by sine x times sine square x is sine cube x times the limit of cos x times 1 plus cos x as x approaches 0 and as x approaches 0. So to evaluate this limit, I'm going to write the limit, I'm going to write it in parentheses, the limit of x over sine x as x approaches 0, and this entire thing cubed. These two have the same power, so I'm going to take the power as the power of the entire limit. So I'm going to have the limit of cos x times 1 plus cos x as x approaches 0. Now this entire thing is 1. So this is 1 cubed. And if I apply direct substitution here, I'm going to have cos of 0 times 1 plus cos of 0. So 1 cubed times the entire thing is the same thing. So this is 1 times 1 plus, what is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. So I'm going to have 1 times 1 plus 1 is 2. And if I multiply 1 times 2, I'm just going to have 2. That is the solution to this problem. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.